Hello and welcome to HNS Academy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cast your mobile screen on a PC or laptop, or how to mirror your mobile screen on a laptop screen. Now, this could be very useful if you're live streaming, or if you want to stream something from your, if you want to show something from your mobile onto your laptop, or if you just want to view something which you have on your mobile on a bigger screen, or it could also be useful for if you want to stream your mobile games on the laptop, or if you just want to play those on a bigger screen. Now, with that being said, I've been using different mirroring applications or casting applications, and the one which we're going to use today, this is the best one I've found so far. For now, I'm just going to use this one, which is a power mirror. This is actually it only gives you a trial version to be used freely. For now, I'm just going to use it to show you the actual usage of the other app which we're going to use today. So with that being said, let's get started. So first thing we need to do is to go to this website called LetsView.com. LetsView is the application which we're going to use. Now, this is available for both Windows and Mac. So first thing we're going to do, or what you need to do, is to download this for Mac or Windows, whatever operating system you're using. So for now, if I click on Windows, I've already done that. If you click on Windows, it will start downloading the application for you. Here you just need to click on the download option here, and as you can see, it's downloading now. I'm going to cancel this for now because I've already downloaded this and installed. So once this is downloaded, you just need to install it, and then we're going to open it from here. Then you can just simply search LetsView and then open it, and there we go, we have it installed on our desktop now. Now what we're going to do, the next step we need to do is to do the same step on mobile. So here we are on the mobile screen, as you can see. So what we need to do is you need to go to the Play Store application and search for LetsView. When you search for it, you'll get this option over here. I've already downloaded and installed it. You'll get the option to install it, so just download and install the application on your phone, and then click on open. Okay, and then what we need to do is that as you can see here, it's giving me the option that this is my computer, so I need to select this to be connected. And once I click on once I select my device, it gives you two options. So we can either mirror our phone screen on computer or computer screen on the mobile. So for now, we're going to look into the phone screen mirror. So we click on that, and then gives you the option to start now. Now, as you can see, if we close this and we close that, now as you can see, our mobile screen is here on your computer. Now, as you can see, here we are on our mobile screen, and as you can see, unlike the other mirroring application which I was using earlier just to demonstrate this one doesn't have any watermark on it, and it is completely free to use. This is the best part about this application, that it's completely free and easy to use. With this, you can use any of your applications. We can go back to Play Store, or we can open any other application on your phone, and you can mirror this across on your computer. So that's all you need to do. to mirror your phone screen on the computer. And now on top of this, if you want to stream your gameplay, you can just simply, I'm using OBS now to record this. If you want to add your mobile screen, or if you want to stream this on using OBS, you can simply choose a new scene, and you can add a new source called window capture here. And then with the window capture, if you click on it, as you can see, you can capture this window, which is the LetsView application window, on your OBS, and then you can add it, and that way you can adjust it as per your requirement, and you can stream your gameplay on the computer using this application. So now I'm just going to delete this window capture. So that's all you need to do to mirror your mobile screen onto a computer, and as you can see, it does a really good job overall about using this. You can always adjust the settings as per your requirement. It also gives you the option of a brush here, so if I want to highlight something for any online class or something, it could be very useful. Then I can undo the changes, and then if I want to exit this, we can exit this. You can also record the mobile screen over here, and it gives you some other options over here as well. You can rotate the screen to make it bigger, and we can do other things as well. Here it gives you the option to take a screenshot as well. So these are all the other options which you can do. Another good feature over here is this one called always on top. If I select this, now if I'll open any other window, you'll see this will always stay on top of the other applications which are open. So this could be handy if you want to show this along with if you want to do something at the background, and this you want this to be shown on the front, you can always do that as well with the always on top option. So that's all you need to do to mirror your mobile screen. Hope this video has been really helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so you get notified for any upcoming videos like this. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.